In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js and set up Claude Code on Windows. First, open your browser and head to the official Node.js website. On the home page, click Download, then choose the Windows installer option. Your browser will save the installer file. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the standard setup prompts. Sticking with the defaults is perfectly fine for most users. When it finishes, Node.js and npm will be available on your system. Next, go to the Claude website. Find the section for Claude Code, then open the advanced installation page. Scroll down until you see the standard installation instructions. There, you'll see a command you can run from the terminal to install Claude Code. Highlight that entire command and copy it. We'll use it in a moment. Now open the Windows search bar and type command prompt. Open it, and in the terminal, type node-hv, then press enter. If everything installed correctly, you'll see a version number appear. That confirms Node.js is ready. Right after that, paste the command you copied from the Claude Code standard installation section and press enter. This will install the Claude Code tool. Give it a moment to complete. When that finishes, open File Explorer. Pick a location where you'd like to work, then right-click, select New, and create a new folder. Rename it to something meaningful so you can find it later and open the folder. In the address bar at the top of File Explorer, click once to highlight the path, type cmd, and press enter. That opens a command prompt window already pointed to your new folder, which is a handy way to work in the right directory. In this new terminal window, type Claude and press enter. If you're prompted to allow or continue, choose yes and proceed. Once the Claude tool starts, type /login and press enter. This begins the sign-in process so the tool can connect to your account. Follow any instructions shown on screen to complete authentication. After logging in, you're set up. To unlock full access and features, you'll need to purchase a subscription through the service. Once that's in place, you can return to your project folder and continue using the Claude command to work with Claude Code right from your terminal. That's it. Node.js is installed, Claude Code is set up, and you're ready to build